How to get Snapchat Plus free trial for lifetime. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, I'll show you how you can get a Snapchat Plus free trial for what seems like a lifetime. So sometimes Snapchat provides free trial to their users. So for that, go ahead and open your Snapchat. Then tap on the profile or the Bitmoji icon in the top left corner. Then tap on Snapchat Plus, that is below the profile. Tap on Next and subscribe. Now here you will see the option as Start Free Trial. Tap on Subscribe and you will need to enter your Snapchat password, and after that you will get a 7-day free trial. So to continue getting the free trial, you can use this new Snapchat account every 7 days. But Snapchat does not always give free trial for users. It comes as a limited time offer, so do not miss and grab it immediately. So this is the only way to get Snapchat Plus for what it seems like a lifetime. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe.